Here at the University of Bristol, we have a number of facilities that can be accessed by industrial collaborators. We have a team of experts available to collect and analyse data, as well as train new users to use our kit. We like to work closely with industrial collaborators on the problems that they're facing. Bristol has worked with a number of companies over the years in the civil nuclear sector, providing measurements of phenomena such as stress corrosion cracking, materials degradation, thermal treatments, how these materials degrade and change in extreme environments. This work directly feeds back into the industry so that they can provide safe and reliable energy. Here in the School of Physics, we have a genuinely unique combination of microscopy tools and techniques. We have scanning electron microscopy facilities with energy dispersive X-ray analysis, electron backscatter diffraction, and focused ion beam milling. Contact mode high-speed atomic force microscopy, as well as optical microscopy analysis, X-ray photoelectron spectroscopy, thin film deposition, laser Raman spectroscopy, X-ray diffraction and X-ray tomography, and the nanoESCA. It's very exciting getting to work directly with industrial users when they bring in a sample that's failed and maybe they don't understand why or how it's failed, and we get to sort of solve that problem for them, understanding not only, say, the topography of the sample, but also the chemistry, understanding how and why this material has behaved in the way that it has. If you're interested in working together and using our facilities, please get in touch.